Eat wrong, hormones crash. Eat smart, metabolism soars. Imagine waking up energized, shedding stubborn weight effortlessly, all because your body's internal regulators are finally in sync. If you've ever felt sluggish despite healthy eating, this could change everything. Stay with me. I've got the exact foods and strategies that fix this for countless patients, and they'll work for you too. Welcome back to Wellness Waves, your go-to source for health and wellness podcasts. I'm Dr. Elias Seit, and today we're diving deep into how the right foods can transform your metabolism by fine-tuning those crucial hormones. Think of your plate as a powerful tool for synergy, combining macros and superfoods to support insulin, thyroid, cortisol, leptin, ghrelin, estrogen, testosterone, and more. We'll walk through a full day of eating, from breakfast to dinner and beyond, exposing common pitfalls that sabotage your energy and weight goals, and delivering practical, delicious fixes that make you feel amazing. But this isn't just theory. I'll share real patient stories, science-backed insights, easy recipes, and a step-by-step meal prep blueprint to make this effortless. If you're tired of yo-yo diets, constant fatigue, or that frustrating plateau, this episode is your roadmap to hormonal harmony and a revved-up metabolism. We'll cover why hormones matter, how food influences them, and actionable steps to implement today. Stick around to the end for exclusive tips or integrating this with exercise and supplements. Let's get started. Your body will thank you. All right, let's start at the foundation. Why do hormones even matter for your metabolism? Well, picture your body as a high-performance engine. Hormones are the fuel injectors, spark plugs, and turbochargers all in one. When they're optimized, you burn fat efficiently, maintain steady energy, and feel motivated all day. But when they're off, it's like driving with a flat tire, sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, and constant breakdowns. Let's break down the key players. First, insulin. Produced by your pancreas, it regulates blood sugar. Eat too many refined carbs, and insulin spikes, leading to fat storage and eventual resistance. Hello, type 2 diabetes risk and belly fat. But balance it with protein and fiber, and it becomes your ally for stable energy. Next, thyroid hormones like T3 and T4. These control your basal metabolic rate, basically how many calories you burn at rest. Low thyroid function? You might feel cold, tired, and gain weight easily. Nutrients like iodine, selenium, and zinc are crucial here. Deficiencies are more common than you think, especially in processed food-heavy diets. Cortisol, the stress hormone from your adrenals. In short bursts, it's fine, but chronic stress from poor sleep or junk food keeps it elevated, promoting fat storage around your midsection and breaking down muscle. Then there's leptin and ghrelin. Leptin signals I'm full, while ghrelin yells feed me. Imbalances lead to overeating or undereating. Sex hormones like estrogen and testosterone influence fat distribution and muscle mass. Low levels can slow metabolism in both men and women. Here's where it gets real. A study from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism shows that hormonal imbalances contribute to up to 30% of weight loss resistance cases. I've treated patients who exercised religiously but saw no results until we fixed their hormones through diet. One woman, Sarah, came in exhausted and 20 pounds overweight. After tweaking her meals for thyroid support, she dropped the weight in 3 months and reported energy like I haven't had since my 20s. Common pitfalls? Relying on calorie counting alone ignores hormones, or intermittent fasting without hormone prep. Great for some, but it can spike cortisol in others. Today, we'll fix that with targeted foods. Excited? Let's layer in the science and get to your daily plan. Time to build your morning foundation, ideally between 7 and 9 a.m. This meal sets the tone for blood sugar stability and thyroid activation. Aim for a macro balance. 20 to 30 grams of protein to boost the thermic effect. Your body burns 20 to 30% more calories digesting protein than carbs. Healthy fats for hormone building blocks, and complex carbs for sustained release. Why focus on thyroid here? Your thyroid ramps up in the morning, needing selenium and iodine to convert T4 to active T3. Brazil nuts are a superstar. 1 or 2 provide your daily selenium. Iodine from eggs or yogurt supports that too. For insulin, avoid naked carbs like plain toast. Pair them with protein to prevent spikes. Bad habit expose? Grabbing a sugary latte or cereal on the go? That crashes insulin, leading to 10 a.m. fatigue and cravings. Instead, let's craft a meal that feels indulgent but powers you up. Powerhouse Option 1. Golden Turmeric Oats. Cook half a cup of rolled oats in 1 cup of almond milk, unsweetened for low carbs. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Curcumin in turmeric reduces inflammation that hampers hormones, and pepper boosts absorption by 2,000%. Top with 2 Brazil nuts, crushed for selenium, a handful of blueberries, antioxidants fight oxidative stress on thyroid, chia seeds, 2 tablespoons for omega-3s that build hormone membranes, and a scoop of Greek yogurt, plain, full fat for 15 grams of protein and probiotics for gut hormone axis. Why this works? Oats beta-glucan fiber slows carb absorption, keeping insulin steady. Blueberries' anthocyanins support estrogen balance, crucial for women in perimenopause. Total calories? Around 400, but the satiety lasts hours. Prep tip? Make overnight oats the night before. Mix dry ingredients, add milk, refrigerate. In the morning, heat and top. Variation for busy folks. If oats aren't your thing, try a veggie omelet. Whisk 3 eggs, iodine-rich, add spinach, magnesium calms cortisol, mushrooms, vitamin D for hormone conversion, and avocado slices. Potassium counters stress. Cook in olive oil for anti-inflammatory fats. This ramps up testosterone in men and balances estrogen in women. Patient story? Mark, a 45-year-old exec, switched from bagels to dis and saw his morning fog lift. He said, "I used to need 3 coffees. Now 1 does it." Science backs it. A Nutrition Review's meta-analysis shows omega-3s improve insulin sensitivity by 25%. Feel that shift from guilt-ridden rushed meals to joyful, energizing starts? Let's pause. How is your current breakfast? If it's lacking, this simple swap could be your game changer. Around 10 to 11 a.m., hunger might creep in. That's ghrelin talking. Don't ignore it. Feed it smartly to keep leptin happy and avoid overeating at lunch. Goal: 10 to 15 grams of protein, fiber, and a touch of fat for fullness without heaviness. Pitfall: office vending machine grabs like chips or candy bars spike blood sugar, then crash it, messing with cortisol and insulin. Result: afternoon slumps and poor decisions. Smart choice: apple slices with almond butter and ground flax seeds. 1 medium apple provides pectin fiber that feeds gut bacteria, influencing hormone production via the microbiome. Almond butter, 2 tablespoons, offers healthy fats and vitamin E for antioxidant protection against hormone disruptors. Flax seeds, 1 tablespoon, are lignin-rich, helping modulate estrogen levels, great for PMS or menopause symptoms. Why psychology loves this? It's crunchy, creamy, sweet, salty, hitting reward centers without guilt. Dip the slices for fun, making it feel like a treat. Total time, 2 minutes. Calories, around 200 to 250, but the fiber curbs cravings for hours.
Alternative: cottage cheese with cucumber and pumpkin seeds. Cottage cheese packs 15 grams of protein per half cup, stabilizing blood sugar. Cucumbers hydrate. Dehydration spikes cortisol. And pumpkin seeds provide zinc for thyroid and testosterone support. Deep value solve. If you're dealing with constant snacking or emotional eating, this resets hunger signals. A study in Appetite Journal found such snacks reduce overall calorie intake by 10 to 15%. Imagine going from hangry to harmonious. That's the power here. Midday, 12 to 2 p.m. is prime time for cortisol control. Stress peaks here for many. Build a plate with lean protein, 25 to 35 grams, abundant veggies for fiber, and fats for satisfaction. This meal should fuel your afternoon without the post-lunch coma. Common trap? Carb-heavy takeout like pasta or sandwiches, which inflame and slow metabolism. Instead, let's make it vibrant and effective. Core recipe: Grilled salmon salad. 4 to 6 ounces wild salmon, grilled or baked. Omega-3s like EPA and DHA are essential for hormone synthesis and reducing cortisol by up to 20% per American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Pile on mixed greens, folate for mood hormones, avocado, half, for monounsaturated fats that build cell membranes, quinoa, half a cup cooked for complete protein and magnesium, and broccoli, steamed for sulforaphane that detoxes excess estrogens. Dress with olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs. Step by step. Season salmon with garlic. Allium compounds boost detoxification. Grill 4 minutes per side. Cook quinoa in advance. It's gluten-free and provides steady carbs. Chop veggies fresh for crunch. Why broccoli? It supports liver enzymes that clear hormone metabolites, preventing imbalances. Variations? Vegan? Swap salmon for tofu or tempeh. Soy isoflavones gently modulate estrogen. Add cherry tomatoes for lycopene, protecting against oxidative stress. Extended benefits. This meal enhances fat oxidation. Salmon's protein increases metabolic rate during digestion. Patient anecdote. Lisa, battling stress weight, adopted this and lost 15 pounds while gaining calm. Lunch used to drag me down. Now it's my recharge, she shared. Troubleshooting. If you have thyroid issues, go easy on raw cruciferous veggies. Steam them to reduce goitrogens. Feel the joy of a meal that nourishes body and mind? 3 to 4 p.m. is slump territory. Energy dips as cortisol naturally wanes. Counter with a snack that sustains and supports sex hormones for overall vitality. Avoid energy bars loaded with sugar alcohols that disrupt gut hormones. Go for a handful of pistachios, a quarter cup, sunflower seeds, 2 tablespoons, and a square of 70% dark chocolate. Pistachios lower cholesterol and improve blood flow for hormone delivery. Sunflower seeds offer vitamin E and selenium for thyroid and testosterone. Dark chocolate's flavonoids enhance insulin sensitivity and provide a mood boost via endorphins. Why this combo? It's portable, satisfying, and taps into reward without excess calories, around 200. Chew slowly for mindfulness. Turn snacking into a mini break. Alternative, Greek yogurt parfait with walnuts and cinnamon. Walnuts' ALA omega-3s support brain hormones. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar. Value add. Combats afternoon fatigue common in hormonal imbalances. Research in nutrients shows nuts improve metabolic markers in 4 weeks. From drained to delighted, that's the wave. Evening, 6 to 8 p.m., shift to recovery mode. Lighter carbs, ample protein, and veggies to promote sleep hormones like melatonin without burdening digestion. Pitfall? Heavy, late meals that spike insulin and disrupt circadian rhythms. Featured, turkey stir-fry with lentils and veggies. 4 ounces ground turkey, tryptophan for serotonin to melatonin conversion. Half a cup cooked lentils, plant protein and fiber for steady blood sugar. Bell peppers, vitamin C reduces cortisol. Spinach, magnesium for relaxation. And ginger garlic stir. Capsaicin in peppers mildly boosts metabolism. How to? Sauté turkey in coconut oil, MCTs for quick energy. Add spices, lentils, and veggies. Simmer 10 minutes. Serves 1 to 2. Expansions? Add zucchini for hydration or cauliflower rice for low-carb volume. For men, this supports testosterone. For women, iron-rich spinach aids estrogen balance. Story: John, with insomnia from high cortisol, made this his staple. Better sleep in days. Science: lentils resistant starch feed gut bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids, influencing hormones. End your day feeling fulfilled, not stuffed. To extend benefits, sip chamomile or green tea post-dinner. Catechins support fat metabolism overnight. If needed, a small pre-bed snack. A few cherries, natural melatonin, with cottage cheese, casein protein for slow release. Avoid screens to keep cortisol low. Supplement sidebar. Consider adaptogens like ashwagandha for cortisol or magnesium glycinate for overall balance. Consult your doc first. Now the ultimate reward. A foolproof blueprint to make this lifestyle stick. Weekly shop. Proteins, salmon, turkey, eggs, yogurt. Nuts and seeds, Brazil, almonds, flax, pistachios. Veggies, greens, broccoli, peppers, apples. Grains, oats, quinoa, lentils. Extras, turmeric, dark chocolate. Budget tip. Buy frozen berries and bulk nuts. Batch prep Sunday. Cook quinoa and lentils, portion snacks into bags, chop veggies. Use glass containers, affiliate link in the description for my recommended set, durable and microwave safe. Blender for smoothies if varying breakfast. Tracking progress. Journal energy levels, weight, and moods weekly. Adjust based on biofeedback. If energy lags, up selenium. Long-term, integrate with walks or weights for synergistic hormone boosts. Affiliate tools, my favorite kitchen scale for portions, or a food journal app. One patient followed this and normalized thyroid levels in 2 months. This isn't a diet, it's empowerment. You've got the tools, now soar. We've journeyed through a full day of hormone-optimizing nutrition that supercharges your metabolism. From breakfast boosts to dinner wind-downs, you're equipped to ditch fatigue and embrace vitality. Next episode, we'll layer in exercise routines that amplify these effects. What's your go-to meal from today's full day? The oats, salmon, or stir-fry? Drop it in comments, like if this resonated, subscribe to Wellness Waves for weekly wellness wisdom, and share with a friend struggling with energy. Affiliate links below for meal prep gear. Grab them to start strong. Thanks for tuning in. Ride those wellness waves. Stay healthy, folks.